Let's piece a curve today. You will need a concave and a convex piece, some pins, a glue pen. You're going to take the pins, line up one of the edges of the top piece to the bottom piece, weaving that piece in. Do the other side the same way. Lay the bottom piece on a flat surface. Do not hold it up. Once you've got it on that flat surface, we are going to use the glue pen and place a little bit of glue on that bottom piece from right to left, placing that top piece gently on it, lining up the edges. Do not pull on that top piece or you will end up with bias edge at the end. You need these pieces cut perfect to the template size to achieve this. Once that is done, you will take it to the sewing machine. Have your sewing machine set on a 2.0 stitch length using a 1/4 inch foot and 50 weight thread along with a purple thang. The bottom piece will again be the bottom piece at your sewing machine. You will use that 1/4 inch foot and run it along the edge of that piece. Once that is done, we will press it to the outside, making it lay flat. Then you will have one of your 4 pieces to make a complete block. Repeat this with the remaining blocks to chain piece for ease.